Hello, today we're going to solve another problem in LeetCode. Construct smallest number from the DI string where we have numbers starting from 1 to 9 and it needs to follow a pattern. For the first numbers it needs to be increasing and the first three numbers it needs to be increasing, and for the next one it needs to be decreasing and increasing again and decreasing order again. So this is the pattern. To solve this, let us take the n as length of the pattern so that I can't type it every time, and let us take a stack and let us go through the array and append everything from there. For instance, let's keep it at plus 1, and here the main logic begins. If the I is double equal to, that means it is equal to the length of pattern or n, or if I or if the pattern of I is in increasing order, that means we can add this all the values that are there up to now in the stack to the result. Let's say stack dot pop. Let us take the result and let us pop this and return the result. It is not working because we are adding an int, but we need a string here. So basically what we are doing here is, if we found anything about the increasing order after the decreasing, everything before that should be added. So for instance, let us print the result for better understanding every time so that we can know what's happening every time. You can see that for the first three things we have 1 2 3 1 2 3, and for the last one also we have 1 2 3, and whenever we came for the decreasing order, it became 1 2 3 5 4, and after that we can keep it the same. Let's say up to here we have decreasing, and in the end we have this condition. If it is in the end after all these, we'll just add it in the decreasing order 6 7 8 9. So please check it out and debug this. Let's see if the submission works. Yeah, it is working. So that's how you solve it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.